Good day, everyone, and welcome to another exciting vocabulary lesson. This is week 16, and our words this week are ornery, caper, irk, lunge, protrude, and sentinel. So let's jump into the first word this week. The first word is ornery. Now, this is an adjective, so it describes someone or something. Now, it is an ugly or unpleasant in disposition or in temper. So anytime somebody is ugly, mean, nasty, vicious, or some sort of crankiness is happening, that person is known as being ornery. It could even mean someone who's just simply breaking the rules as being an ornery person. In this image here, you can tell the cat is having a very, very bad day. It is being mean and cranky and nasty. Another synonym would be grouchy or vicious. This is what it is to be ornery. The next word is caper. Caper is a noun, or it's a thing. It's a prank or a trick, a harebrained escapade. Another word for it might be a heist. So in this image here, this man is tricking us. He is a magician, perhaps. He has a card under his sleeve, and he is performing a caper or a prank. A lot of Hollywood movies are centered around famous capers, where somebody might rob a casino or plan an extravagant bank heist or something like that. A synonym for caper would be gag, joke, mischief, prank, shenanigan, stunt, or trick. Caper. The next word is irk. Now this is a verb, so it's an action. It's something that you do or someone does to you, and it means to irritate, to annoy, or exacerbate. Think about maybe your brother or sister. Do they ever annoy you? They are irksome. If you ever annoy someone else, you are being irksome. It might irk you if a teacher gives you a test unannounced. Good synonyms for this word would be annoy, bother, disturb, irritate, and provoke. The next word is lunge. Lunge. Now this is a verb, and it means to make a forward movement or thrust. As you can see, this man, he might have been standing before this picture was taken, but now he is moving forward or thrusting forward. Sometimes people do this in like a sword fight or like a jousting match. They lunge forward or they move their body forward to strike their opponent with their sword. Good synonyms for this word would be charge forward, jab forward, spring forward. So any sort of forward type movement is a lunge. The next word is protrude. Protrude, and this is to thrust forward, similar to a lunge, but you got to think of it in terms of another body part or an object that is sticking out, or when you cause something to project. So in this image here, you see this little doll, and its tongue is sticking out, or its tongue is protruding from its mouth. The boy protruded the tongue from his mouth. Synonyms for this word would be jut out, stick out, poke, or extend. You could protrude your leg in the hallway, and that could potentially trip someone. A branch could be protruding from a tree and hovering over someone's house, and that could cause some damage to the house. So protrude is to stick out. The last word this week is sentinel. Sentinel. Now this is a noun, so it is a specific person, or it could be a dog in some instances, or some other sort of guard animal, but it's a person or thing that watches or stands as if watching. A soldier stationed as a guard to challenge all comers and prevent a surprise attack. So in this image here, we have someone standing up tall and straight. They obviously look very official in their uniform, and he seems to have a very serious gaze on his face. He is guarding something, or he is looking out for something. Synonyms would be guard, lookout, protective, protector, watchman or watchwoman, or watch person. Now, it could be a watchdog as well. A dog could also be a sentinel. So thanks so much for joining us this week. Here's a summary of our 6 words: ornery, caper, irk, lunge, protrude, and sentinel. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!